So today, we're gonna show you how to create and use payslips and area. For the first video, we're gonna create an area using Microsoft Visual Studio 2013. So for the first step, click File, then New, then Project. Then rename your project. Group 7 Area. Then OK. Then resize your form. Put 3 labels. There. Then on the properties window, then the appearance category, and in this insert in the text, insert length. Then choose what font you like. There. On the second label, rename and customize your desired font face. And insert with. Third label, rename, then area. Then on the design category, the name, LBL length. Then on the second label, on the design category, under name, we have LBL width. On the third label, on the design category again, under name, LBL area, then OK. Then insert a text box beside every label. Three text boxes. Then on the appearance, don't insert any text like that. It's a no-no. On the design category, under name, text, insert text, txt with. There. Under design category, under name again, put txt length. There. And the third one, under design again, under name, and put txt area. Then customize whatever you want. There. Then put a button. There. And under appearance category, under text, rename calculate. There. And on design category, under name, we have btn calculate. To show the codes, double click the button, then dim length space equals, then val open parenthesis, then txt box. What?
What?
Then on second one, dim with space equals, then val open and close parenthesis, txt dot with that text. Then the third one, dim area is equals to length times width. There. And txt area dot text equals area then run the program there, input, yes, that's it.
So for the second video, we will show you how to create payslip using Visual Basic. First step is to click File, then onto the project, select Forms, then rename it to whatever you like, but we put it Group 7 Payslip. Then press OK. After that, select the toolbox, then insert, then insert the objects and controls. First we put label, then change its properties via the properties window, and under the appearance category we change its text to Unicom Incorporation. Still under the appearance category, we will change its font, face, style, and size. Then you can copy and paste, then rename the text. After renaming it,
There. Yeah.
copy and paste. Until you copy and paste until you have 6 labels in total. Lol.
There.
Add 2 more to make it 8. Change its properties again via the property window. Oo na. Sinabi ko na yung gender. Nakakatawa. Sinabi ko na naman yung gender.
The name of the labels. The last label. Net pay. There. Then put text boxes. 8 text boxes to be exact. Align it with your labels. There. Yan. Okay. Then, on every text boxes, don't put anything. Yeah. Insert a button. One button, and on the appearance, under text, name it compute. Then under design category, under name, in the first label, put LBL unicorn there. On the second label, put LBL Payslip. On the third label, LBL employees number. On the fourth, the first text box, under design category, under name, put txt employees number. There. On the fourth label, under design category, under name, again, LBL first name. Yeah. Then text box, txt first. Then design, again, under name again, LBL basic salary. On the text box, put txt salary.